Having a laptop suited to your needs is important for consumers, but essential for software developers. You want the best laptop for programming because if the laptop isn't well suited for coding, it could be a significant hindrance. But with all the options out there, it can be difficult to know which one suits your needs. In this video, we're breaking down the best 5 laptops for programming on the market this year based on price, performance, features, and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every price range, so whether you're looking for a great value programming laptop or the ultimate coding machine, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which laptop will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Next is the MacBook Pro 16-inch, our pick for the best laptop for iOS development. The MacBook Pro serves as the best choice to develop apps with Apple's native language, Swift. For all the Swift lovers and Objective-C coders, priced under $2,250, the MacBook Pro is the best laptop for programming money can buy. It will come as no surprise that an Apple laptop is best for developing for iOS. The MacBook Pro's powerful i7 processor provides super fast processing speeds that allow you to run heavy-duty coding projects seamlessly. Aside from its high price, the MacBook Pro is a hard one to beat. It's powered by a Coffee Lake i7 6-core processor paired with 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and a dedicated AMD Radeon Pro 555X graphics card. With its 16GB of RAM, coupled with 4GB GDDR5 memory, the MacBook Pro outputs enough performance to fire up all your local servers and code editors. If you are required to write in Swift, Apple's native language for iOS development, the MacBook Pro has enough processing power for the language's infamously costly compiling. You also get 2 Thunderbolt ports, which helps you to transfer the backup of your data onto external devices at a high speed. To top all that, the MacBook Pro provides up to 11 hours of battery life, so it has you covered on those long coding sessions. Plus, since Macs can run Windows just fine via Boot Camp or in a virtual machine such as Parallels, you'll be able to use your Mac to develop apps for any platform on Earth. Simply put, the Apple MacBook Pro is a beast. If you're developing software to be used on the Mac operating system, the MacBook is in a class by itself and can handle just about anything you can throw at it. The only real downside? The price. If you can afford it, especially if you are using Swift and Objective-C coder, then Apple MacBook Pro 16 is the best option for you. Are you someone that uses your laptop in bed? Whether you are watching YouTube, Netflix, or just like to get some work done while relaxing, this stand is going to be an absolute game changer. With this stand, you can use your laptop in bed, on the couch, or just about anywhere comfortably and not worry about your computer overheating or getting annoying neck cramps. It's super lightweight, so you can move it from your bed to your desk where it doubles as a standing workspace. You can make almost anywhere in your home your new standing desk location. The best part about this stand is that it doesn't cost hundreds of dollars like standing desks. Now, Comfy Desk was awesome enough to give my viewers a pretty great discount. With the discount code TOOMUCHTECH, my viewers get 15% off. With the code, the stand is a pretty reasonable price for not having to deal with long-term back pain if you ask me. It's the perfect item to pair with a new laptop. Be sure to take advantage of the special pricing and check the description below for a link to it. Next on our list is the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, our pick for the best laptop for Windows development. Since it comes from Microsoft, priced under $1,500, the Surface Laptop 3 effectively offers a pure Windows 10 experience, making it a benchmark for testing and developing Windows software. First and foremost, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 nails almost everything you'd want in a mainstream portable laptop. You won't find anything near it when it comes to minimalism. It's thin and light, has a fantastic trackpad and keyboard combo, and thanks to a processor upgrade, offers a notable power boost over 2018's Surface Laptop 2. The Surface 3 comes with a PixelSense display, which means it is Microsoft's own screen that they have specially designed with a better touch capacity and stylus response, so ultimately you get a very low latency rate. Additionally, the 15-inch screen has Microsoft Signature 2496 by 1664 resolution and 3:2 aspect ratio, which is especially perfect for both text-based work and coding. The Surface Laptop 3 also features a potentially game-changing collaboration between AMD and Microsoft, resulting in a new chip that's been dubbed the AMD Ryzen Surface Edition. This laptop is more than capable for both basic coding tasks as well as more intense ones like photo editing and graphic design work. It's also a powerhouse for playing video, but due to its aspect ratio, you will get extra large black bars when viewing 16:9 or 21:9 content. The Surface Laptop 3 also packs some of the longest battery life in its class. This beast gives you a battery life of over 9 hours when continuously used for web browsing with multiple tabs and listening to music. This means that while writing your code, you can work for hours without caring about the battery getting drained. As a programmer, all you need is solid performance and a better than average battery, both of which the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 delivers. In addition, the Surface Laptop 3 is possibly the only 3:2 display in a 15-inch traditional clamshell laptop form factor. This aspect ratio displays more text content at once on the screen, which is especially suited for programmers looking to work in Windows development. Up next, we have the Google Pixelbook, our pick for the best Chromebook for Android development. Coming in just under $1,550, the Google Pixelbook is powerful enough to contend with the Surfaces and MacBooks of the world. This is a good choice to consider if you are an Android developer looking for a laptop with a Linux Ubuntu interface. The Pixelbook has been designed to compete with the bigger boys in laptops. While it still runs Chrome OS, which supports Google's Android Studio development tools, it's also the closest Chromebook to a real computer. With 512GB of storage, 16GB RAM, an i7 processor, and a solid-state hard drive, it's right up there with a standard Windows laptop. One of the benefits of using a Pixelbook for programming is that you can boot it up in developer mode and get the latest version of Ubuntu up and running within an hour. Ubuntu is a super powerful Linux-style operating system that is heavily supported by the open source community. In addition, you can also run Linux apps. On the downside, you will not find all of the supported software that you will normally get with a Windows or Mac computer. If you commonly use software such as Microsoft Office or Apple applications, the Chromebook may not be for you. The battery lasts about 10 hours and takes about 2 hours to fully charge. The battery life of the Pixelbook is not as good as some other Chromebooks, but still fully capable of handling a day's work before charging for the night. For Android developers, the Pixelbook is one of the best laptops for programming and perfect for programmers who want the familiar Chrome OS in a high-quality laptop. Next up, we have the Dell XPS 15, our pick for the best overall laptop for programming. The Dell XPS 15 is considered one of the best overall laptops for programming, and at the same time, one of the best laptops for Linux programming, and is priced just under $1,750. The Dell XPS 15 has all the necessary things that a programmer wants in a laptop for coding. Thanks to its carbon fiber design and bezel-less infinity touchscreen display, Even though it is a 15-inch laptop, it is still fairly light and small in size. The large screen allows you to fit as much code as possible in a single line. The XPS 15 is powered by an Intel Core i7 core, 32GB RAM, and an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti. This laptop offers excellent performance and can store large coding repositories efficiently. With its 6-core processors, you get increased performance even with multiple coding applications running together. The combination of a powerful processor and plenty of RAM is more than enough to run IDEs and VMs with ease. When it comes to the display, you have a 15.6-inch 4K UHD display. What that means for you is that you get a bright screen that has great viewing angles with high color accuracy and reproduction. In short, a nice, beautiful display. Unfortunately, such high-resolution displays do eat into battery life. Though not the best battery life, it is still considered very good and can last 8 to 9 hours under consistent use, which is still above average. Every programmer is concerned about the keyboard, and the Dell XPS 15 doesn't disappoint. It has the right amount of tactile feedback, key spacing, and travel. This allows you to type at your near max WPM for long periods. Dell created this powerful workstation to serve as a programmer's best friend or someone who needs a lot of computing power. The XPS 15 offers an almost perfect balance between performance, quality, and value. It's the perfect choice of programming laptop for game developers and hardcore graphics programmers. Finally is the Acer Aspire 5 Slim, our pick for the best budget laptop for programming. If you're a student or on a budget and are looking for a good laptop for programming that won't break the bank, priced under $500, the Acer Aspire 5 is an affordable all-purpose laptop that punches well above its weight class. The Acer Aspire 5 tips the scales at nearly 4.25 pounds, but at just 0.7 inches thin, it still manages to feel reasonably light, and its aluminum lid and tapered shell makes it look fairly stylish for a budget laptop. You get the latest 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor that will give you speeds up to 4.2 GHz. You also get an NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphics card with 2 GB of dedicated VRAM, and there's 8 GB of RAM on board. Although the 8 GB of RAM is not the best, it should be good enough to handle most, if not all of your tasks. One of the best things about this laptop is its 512GB SSD. For the price, you're getting a good amount of storage coupled with the faster SSD drive. The IPS panel makes for solid viewing angles, and you get a relatively bright and readable display, even when looking from the side, above, or below. Although the display's matted, comfy view design does its best to minimize glare, you will find that the somewhat dim display still struggles under direct sunlight, but that's to be expected for most laptops in this price range. The Aspire 5 has a blue light shield feature that keeps your eyes free from strain. This is especially helpful to reduce eye strain during those long nights of coding when you have to spend many hours staring straight into the monitor. It also has a backlit keyboard, which is unusual for budget laptops in this price range. The feel of the keys are a little shallow, but they still press with a snappy click and can handle your typing with precision. Another highlight is the long battery life. You get up to 9.5 hours of battery on a single charge, which means it will last you all day long. Capable of smooth as butter performance for mainstream computing activities, the Acer Aspire 5 manages to pack quad-core power into a thin, budget-priced chassis. If you are a student looking for a budget laptop for programming, the Aspire 5 is an extremely well-priced laptop that presents solid performance and long battery life, combined with a decent 15-inch display, making it an excellent deal for the money. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.